Hello guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can import an audio or music to CapCut PC and then add it to your edited videos. So in here, I have already prepared my edited videos and I want to add music on it, but I don't want to use the audio from CapCut, so I'm going to import a music on my own. So here's how to do it. You need to go to the media tab and then click on local and click on the import button in here. Okay, so there will be a pop-up to select the media source. You just need to select your audio or music file, find it in your library. Okay, so I'm going to add the music, the Zane music, and then just click on it, click on open. Okay, so it will be open like this. Then you can just click on the plus icon in here to add it to track and it will be added like this. Then you can just edit it, or you can add beats. You can also trim the music. You can delete the part that you don't want and then drag it like this if you want. And then there are also fade in and fade out effect that you can adjust. You can adjust the volume of the music. You can also do a noise reduction, add voice effects, and you can also adjust the speed of the music. So in here, I'm going to just split the music so that it aligns with my video and delete the rest of it. Okay, so I hope this tutorial will be helpful. So if you enjoy it, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye!